So.
Don't talk to me.
He's mathing. What's that? Bins?
$3.
No, I have too many bins. Far too many bins. What is it?
Not for your dog.
The water thing? Eh. I don't really need it. $1 to $15 each. $2. It's very nice and organized. Interesting.
How are you? I want to stop, huh? Yeah. You're very organized.
Yeah. Greeting cards. That's cool.
How much is the clothes?
Interesting.
They all have a price. They're all 25
Free
cents.
TV. Just need 10 people to move it.
You did a great job of pricing. I'll tell you, this is awesome.
These are cool. There's foam.
That jacket, 50 cents.
Keyboards. What is this? It's for fish.
Come to my house if you're bored. I'll do it down.
That's 50.
Wow.
It's not a 50.
Twilight.
And I got my 4 masks, so I...
So $2 all
$2,
together?
yeah. That's awesome.
Bella's engagement ring. Wow. I'm surprised she gave it up. Are her and Edward on the outs?
I was selling all this on my online store, but then they banned me on my
I
store.
don't need that
They
size,
banned you?
do
Why?
I?
I don't know. They said I had something. I don't even know. Prohibited items. I'm like, what?
That's frustrating.
I had a Coach pocketbook,
Look
but
at
I
this.
don't really did in a Coach. And 5 minutes later, I get a thing. This is, and I'm like,
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Like it's
Jacob.
fake.
Team
No,
Jacob?
it's good.
Or
It's
Team
really
Edward?
Coach, but they won't
Yeah,
even let
I
you
know.
put something.
It's
Wrong.
annoying.
It is no annoying.
Luckily, she's still going, so we're good.
You're still going. Okay, don't put any Coach on there.
Right.
Who are these guys? Carrie would like them.
eBay is funny. I don't sell anymore. Like if I get something, like I got a watch and it came with extra watch bands that are expensive. That's why.
Who are these guys?
My watch.
One Direction.
One Direction, okay. Is that the whole group?
No. There's 2 missing. Oh, yeah.
I feel like this would be a perfect gag gift. I might get this for a quarter.
Yeah.
Wow, this is really well organized. Everything's in like a little bag. I'm look.
Oh, should I get it? Oh no.
They might be negotiable on it. I paid $5 for it, I think.
I don't think I'll.
It's nice. Squishmallows, wow. Oh, 10, 15, 20.
Too bad Tina bought all those school shirts today.
What's that?
All the school shirts, but they're not gonna have any more.
Why aren't they going to have them? Are they getting rid of the dress code?
Uniform.
Oh, interesting.
Oh, I read that. The school is gonna be getting.
Yeah.
It's a cool Pokemon hat. The Grinch. SpongeBob. My Little Pony, $1 to $10 each. Wow. The amount of work you guys must put into setting this up.
So I collected that
Okay.
as long
Yeah.
as I can remember.
Okay. Wow.
That's like my whole collection.
That's cool. Monster High.
Yeah, I was the toy person.
I see, yeah. Alright, what else can I... Oh, what's in here? Unbreakable. Ma, do you have a quarter?
What are those?
They're like One Direction.
Okay.
Yeah, it's an inside joke. Here's for the One Direction
Thank
gentleman.
you.
Thank you. The curtains, what? No.
Two balances, like you
I do, but I don't know the measurements. Thank you guys, I'm out.
Thank you.
You still buying?
Yeah.
You still shopping? Did you pay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. That's gonna look good on me.
Good morning.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm doing just fine. How about you?
Good, it's getting nice out.
Yeah, it is.
Nice little mathematics. Albums, $1 each. Steve Miller Band. Like a good language translator. Left Behind series, $50. A little pricey. And the sun comes in just right. Record tote. Oh, that's cool. Star Wars, Planet of the Hoojibs. Oh, that's cool. You had a lot of people come by?
Do what?
Have you had a lot of people come by?
Not today.
No. Oh, were you yesterday as well?
Oh my gosh, yesterday was
Crazy.
unbelievable.
Really?
You know, I just cut the price on that little record box in half from what it was.
Was it 20?
I had 20 on it.
Yeah, 10 is fair. I probably wouldn't do it for 20, but 10 is good. I'll buy that for 10.
Oh, there were a couple of people here yesterday that were bought and sold records and things, and I told them, I said, you're passing up a really good deal.
Yeah, that's...
$20.
Yeah, no, I appreciate the price drop too. These are nice magnets. Got a lot of cool stuff. Do you collect coins?
A little bit.
A little bit, yeah. What's your best coin?
Hmm?
What's your best coin that you have in your collection?
No, I don't really have anything that...
That great, okay.
Premium coins.
Yeah, I've got, you know, some silver dollars,
I
stuff
don't
like
have
that.
anything that
Works,
gone out and graded.
Gotcha, okay.
What's
cool.
an ORAC?
It's a purifier, an air purifier. That's kind of cool.
Does it work?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we can plug it in if you want.
Christmas cards. Alright, so what size is this? A large?
What size do you need? Oh, that's...
Yeah, I was just looking at
single
this. My friend likes football, but I don't know what I don't know what kind of shirt he'd want. Doctor Who Monopoly, that's fun. Do you know if all the board games have the pieces?
I'm sorry?
All the pieces are
all of
included?
the pieces are on all
Okay.
those games.
That's nice, yeah. Doctor Who Monopoly. Interesting. Let me keep looking, see what else. I've got a couple things I want, but I'm going to keep looking. Sportscraft. Algebra textbooks. Maya, you want to learn algebra?
What is pickleball? What is that? Is that?
Pickleball?
Yeah, what is that?
It's a sport of some sort. I've never played it.
Are the balls in here?
No, you need pickles, not balls.
I don't play it.
How much is it?
It's $30.
Oh.
That bag alone is worth more than
no, I
$30.
believe it, but I
Yeah.
didn't know.
So I'm spending 12. I'm getting the box of records and your Star Trek trivia book. This one?
So what are you, 12 bucks?
So 8 back, yeah. Because 10 and 2.
You want a little bag?
No, it's okay. I can carry it. It's got a little handle and stuff, so I can carry it.
There was no charge for the handle. Okay, here's
Included for free.
15.
Yeah.
Alright, what do I got? Morning. Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. Ollie the elephant. Oh yeah, Scentsy Buddy. Yeah, $1 each. Scentsy Buddies are actually pretty good. 3 of them. $1 a piece. Look at this bugs. He's really dirty. He probably would clean up okay.
Yeah, they deliver over here. Truly, right over here delivers.
Oh, miter cell. No, is that a miter cell? Yeah. Great.
Homeowner saying,
Yeah.
I had a guy out there giving people to sign petition for the recreation.
Yeah.
So it's probably worth that.
Yeah, it cost.
PV.
I paid 203 or 206.
$10.
And I did payment, and then I did another like $75 for the state to get the claim back. So altogether it was like $3 something.
See what they got here on this table here. Skate. Little mini etch sketch. This is a $1 table. A couple things, not anything crazy. Alright, well. Don't see anything else I want.
That's fine, we'll be out here, man.
You gotta take my dog back to Petco and get another shot.
No.
You see how it looks?
Okay, so I wanted to get your amp here and these 4 plushes, so $14.
I'll do 12 for you, buddy.
Oh, you will? Okay, thank you. Here's a 20.
Sold.
Sold. Going the wrong direction.
Going the wrong direction.
I'll grab those.
Yeah, and then I'll get the amp thing.
So,
Don't talk to me.
He's mathing.
14. 12?
It'd be
Yeah,
8 back.
It would
be
be
8
8
back.
back. Okay.
Got
I do
it.
not. I don't. Oh, shoot. Sorry.
Quarters
I got
okay?
quarters.
Yeah, quarters are fine. I'm going vending machines and getting a bunch of gum later, so.
So do you have a YouTube channel?
I do, yeah.
Are
I
you
do.
filming now?
Yes.
Awesome.
I might have exact change, maybe. Or close to it. Hold on,
Yeah,
let me
I'm
see.
sorry.
That way I don't have to carry. Yeah, it's
Oh my goodness.
it's actually maybe I don't. Let's see what would make it even better. If I gave you 22, then you can give me 10 back. Is that easier?
Yeah, that works.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, NC Picker. You want to check it out?
NC Picker?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
From North Carolina. So.
How you doing, sir?
All right, guys. Have fun.
You too.
Thank you. Hey guys, Dave here. Thank you so much for coming with me to those yard sales. That first yard sale, I kind of made a common mistake, but I actually did have a really good find. We'll show you in a second. I first wanted to talk to you about that first yard sale. She told me that she was an eBay seller and that her daughter was an eBay seller, so I instantly turned my brain off, assuming there's no way I can find anything to sell for a profit on eBay. But as I was watching back this footage, I did see quite a few items I could have made a profit on. Mind you, the Jacob and Edward Cullen Twilight dolls were not a good deal at $15 a piece. A lot of the Monster High dolls were not a good deal. But there was an HTC Vive VR headset there that I think she had $150 on. And it sells for around $340, so I could have made a profit on that. I got myself all emo because she was a seller, and I was like, oh, I'm not going to make any profit, and that's a huge mistake. I'm only saying this to warn you not to make that mistake. Just because they sell on eBay doesn't mean you can't make a profit. They may be in a situation where they need to clear out space. They may be in a situation where they need quick cash. They're not necessarily never going to give you a deal, so beyond that, though, let's talk about the actual items I did buy, because I did get some cool stuff. Probably the favorite thing for me that I found was the box of records. This box of records is just loaded with profit. I showed you on the screen a few comps, just a few of them will get me around $40, and I paid $10 for the whole box, but there's a ton more. There's all these ones that are like children's stories as well. So here, I'll show you Alice in Wonderland, Gizmo and the Gremlins. There's a throwback to the 90s. Mother Goose Rhymes. All these are Disney, which should add to the value. We got Pinocchio. This is just a cover. The rest of it's there. So condition's not good on that one. And then, a bunch more. And then there's also a ton of them that aren't even in the package. So these are all Disney records as well. I mean, even at $1 a piece, I'm going to make a ton of money. I would assume this box of records will get me at least $200. That's my guess right now. Maybe $150 worst case, but I think that's about where I'm at. So really cool pull for $10. The Star Trek trivia is a personal thing. I love Star Trek, so I bought that book. And then at the last sale, I got the Sensi Buddies. Those are actually hit or miss. They're almost always worth at least $8, but they can be worth 30 or 40 if you get a really rare one. I think I got a few that were worth around 20, and then I got the Frog, which was only worth around 7. And then I got that PV amplifier, which I think I can sell for 40 to 60, depending on how it goes. So yeah, definitely made some good profit, guys. Thank you for coming. I try to do 3 videos a week, so make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. We'll see you next time.